Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. See, I have this tripod come selfie stick. Most of you must have seen this. Okay, now I want to highlight one simple problem with this. I want to give you a solution. जब हम ये कनेक्ट करते हैं ब्लूटूथ से तो क्या होता है कि when you try to connect this with the Bluetooth and when you try to operate this button, it should ideally click the photos, isn't it? When you press it, it should click the photos, but वो होता क्या है कि वो वॉल्यूम अप कर देता है. It starts operating the volume of your mobile और समझ में नहीं आता, ऐसा लगता है कि ये ख़राब हो गया है अपना और सेल्फी स्टिक ख़राब हो गया है या ख़राब पीस मिला है. It's not like that. It's not a bad piece. You just need to uh, go into the camera settings and of your mobile. You just need to go into the camera settings and make some small changes, and this button will then start clicking your photos and capturing videos. I'll just show you. Okay guys, just hold on. Okay guys, just go to the camera here, camera icon or camera settings. Okay, and click on the settings here and just scroll down and make this as shutter, because by default it is on volume. So instead of volume, just put it on shutter, and your selfie stick button will start operating, and it will start clicking photos and videos when you press it, and the volume what button won't work then. So thank you.